featured live event, The Big Talk from Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham. When I say big talk, each of you are looking at personalities who have really contributed in the development of the nation. You would have seen the big talk was always with, I won't say big people, but big by age and experience.
The session has given a positive message to those who are yet to come out from the schools and colleges or who are looking at the future.
It is my privilege to introduce our guest speaker today. Today also we have a great multi-skilled personality.
Get on to the battle. You have no equipment, you are not prepared, but just go and fight. And that's literally what teachers were told to do overnight.
The safety, honor and the welfare of your country comes first, always and every time. And the honor, welfare and comfort of the men that you command comes next. And your own ease, comfort and safety comes last, always and every time. So this is something which is instilled into every officer of the Indian Army.
Discipline definitely requires you to say no to many things, contain yourself and control yourself. But that is the absolute freedom.
The mind is a monkey. It will not be happy sitting in one tree or sitting in one branch.
Character cannot be built overnight. It takes time. I told you there's a nurture element, there's a nature element.
If you don't have an objective, how do you measure your success? So even if you fail, you will know how far you have reached when you work for an objective, and that objective becomes a dream.
Yes, I would request Swamiji to be online, and he would ask the final $1 trillion, $1 million or $1 billion question. I would call it certainly $1 million question.
Asking a difficult question. Yes.
We have been observing that there are true leaders, and we try to bring the best leadership people to share this knowledge across the teaching community. Heartfelt thanks from Amrita, and we really cherish the moment.
This is Mithil Krish signing off from Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Ekimade, Coimbatore. So till we meet again, Namaskar, Namaste, Jai Hind.